Now, so we have seen purchasing. Here you can mention the order currency. So this is the currency in which vendor deals with. So one is purchasing currency, another is order. One is order currency, another one is vendor. We'll see another one. We'll give US dollar. Let's see. American dollar. And okay, sorry, I have to remove this. Now save it. So USA vendor has been created with company code 800 and purchasing license 008. Okay, so we have created one vendor. Let's go to database table /n se16n, and now we will give the table name is vf01. It's not there. One second. It's LF01. Sorry, now this is LFA1. So in this case we will see 500 vendors. You can similarly download the list, complete spreadsheet using this Excel sheet, and we will go back. We will find out our vendor that we have created recently. So we'll write here, not needed, USA vendor. So this is the vendor that we have created now. City in Lamba, pin code 5020, searching term is this, and all the company code related data will be displayed. We can again go to LFB1, which is plant level data should be displayed. USA vendor, execute. Company code, person created on, all these details are there. With this we have completed our vendor master. Now we will go to further in details with order master data. Thank you.